As advancements in artificial intelligence continue to flourish, the question arises, can AI truly replace human jobs? The landscape of employment is evolving, prompting debates around job security, efficiency, and the role of technology in our daily lives. In the first act of this narrative, we explore the capabilities of AI. Machines have proven to be proficient in performing repetitive tasks with remarkable speed and accuracy. For instance, in manufacturing, robotic arms wield astonishing precision, assembling products faster than any human could hope to achieve. Yet while AI excels in handling routine tasks, it struggles with the nuances of human emotion, creativity, and decision-making that define many professions. This leads to the idea that rather than outright replacement, AI may change the nature of work. Transitioning into the second act, we consider the implications of AI on the workforce. Many sectors, such as customer service, finance, and healthcare, are experiencing a shift as AI tools assist or enhance human capabilities. Chatbots streamline customer interactions. Data analytics optimize financial decisions, and AI-driven diagnostics can identify health issues. This collaboration has the potential to create a new paradigm where humans and machines work side by side, maximizing productivity and innovation. As we approach the concluding act, it becomes essential to address the concerns regarding job displacement. Historically, technological advancements have always incited fear about job losses. However, history also demonstrates resilience, with new roles emerging in response to changing landscapes. Professionals in AI development, maintenance, and ethics showcase just a fraction of the new opportunities born from technology. While certain jobs will undoubtedly become obsolete, the focus should remain on upskilling and redefining career paths to adapt to this evolving environment. In summation, while AI presents challenges, it is not solely a harbinger of job loss. Instead, it offers a transformed landscape of employment characterized by collaboration and innovation. The future promises not only a shift in job roles, but also an opportunity to harness the strengths of both human workers and AI. Embracing this evolution is crucial, as it empowers society to redefine work and navigate the changing tides of technology together.